How's it going, fellow traders? Magic Trader here, and we're taking a look at the Euro US dollar. Now, let me open up this daily chart for you. Previously, when we were looking at the daily chart of the Euro US dollar, I was in short. I ended up covering at the lows, which was great because I had suspected that price could rally up. We were seeing some evidence to suggest that, so I exited. But a while back, I had pointed out that there are three spots that price was likely going to see a larger drop from. First one was this one here, and we got somewhat of a little bit of a drop, and that's where I believe it was this area here where I closed my position. Price also could have dropped from this area here, but didn't. But now we are reaching this area. This was the highest area that I suspected price could rally up to before we saw a more significant drop. And so let's break apart what we are looking at here. If I open up the weekly chart, you can see the area of supply that we're contacting right now. It's this area here. I'll bold it up so that you can see exactly. That's the supply area here. So we've contacted this area of supply. This area is the only supply area that was created since we had the major institutional selling taking place from here. Okay. Now, yes, it did drop quite a distance before rallying back up to this area of supply. It's not ideal. We usually don't want it to drop so much before it rallies back up to supply. But considering the dynamics that are in play right now, there's a very good chance that we see a drop from here to about down there, I would say. Because obviously you can see down in this area, we have strong buying that took place from there. So I've entered into a short position from within this area of supply. My stop loss is above the weekly area of supply, and I'm targeting around this area here. So we'll see if it wants to drop there. I think it's decent odds. It's not the most ideal setup, but I think price has played out quite aggressively to the upside. We have institutional supply that is in. If the banks are going to come in with their selling, it's going to be right here. So this is a really good spot to get in short if you were going to get in short. And so also another thing that I'll point out, if we look at the pound US dollar, you'll see that we're also inside of an institutional selling area. Okay, we got a range taking place here on the weekly time frame. We're inside a selling area, so the chances of a drop are pretty high. So if you have the pound doing the same thing as the euro, the odds are we're likely going to get a drop. So I'm in shorts, and I'm targeting that area down there, and we'll take it one step at a time and see how things play out. All right, thanks for joining me.